Red Ted Art, we have today another bonus video making woven bookmarks for Mother's Day or a birthday. Without further ado, let's go and take a look and see how they're made. So you can use the ready coloured one, you can colour your own like I've done here. It's your choice, so you can choose how to do it. The first thing you do is cut out around the outside of your 3 strips. Next, you get your glue stick and cover all over. Okay, now comes the only fiddly bit of the whole thing. You want to fold it exactly in half so that each strip aligns with the strip on the other side. And then you cut them all out again. Now it's time to do your weaving. This is where the fun begins. So you take your first 2 strips and you connect them. Make sure they're exactly at right angles. Take your next strip and line it up right next to this one. Nice and parallel. Take this one and fold down. As you bring it down, this line aligns here and creates a fold along the top, and it aligns over here. Now you take the outside, bring it in and straighten down at the side. There we go. You can already see the pattern emerging. If you want, you can add a little bit of glue as you go along. I find it just makes it all a little bit stiffer and less floppy. Right, once you get that there's no more flapping, you just glue the last bit down. I'm going to trim that off in a minute. Glue that down. I don't think that's worth doing, so we're just going to trim these. And you have your basic bookmark done. Isn't that cute? So sweet. Now if you want, take a hole punch, make a little hole at the top, and you can add something like a little tassel. Now if you want to know how to make a tassel, I've got a great video on how to make tassels linked up there and down below, and you just thread it through, make a little knot, and you have a super sweet little DIY woven bookmark for Mother's Day. Isn't that cute? Really, really simple and really quick. And here's another version with the other colours, and of course you can use the black and white one and just colour it for yourself. So as per usual, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, but above all, keep making, keep watching, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.